Hi guys, this is Ashok Singh and today we are going to discuss about the top 12 best highest paying URL shortener to earn money online in 2021. Are you looking for the best highest paying URL shortener to earn money online? Getting massive traffic on your blog but not earning such a handsome amount from link shortener as it should be? Searching for some great URL shortener in 2021? If yes, then surely you have come to the right place, as we will be going to discuss the highest paying URL shortener, which are one of the most trustworthy for your business to earn some great revenue. In this video, we will explore the top 12 best highest paying link shortener to help you make some good money. So let's begin. Shrinkme.io, best link shortener to earn money. Shrinkme is popular URL shortener that offers you to earn up to 220 for every 10,000 views, which is one of the highest paying network amongst other URL shorteners. Sounds cool, right? Wait, have some more for you. With Shrinkme, you can even earn 20% of your referral commissions. This advertising network helps you analyze your audience with their detailed statistics. Shrinkme stands out from other networks because of its amazing support, which is ready to assist you anytime. If you have encountered an issue, they provide live chat support and even offer you their support through Skype and Facebook, which is the best features. I am personally using this network for over 2 years and had the best experience so far. Payment details. The minimum payout is $5. Payment methods are PayPal, Bitcoin, Paytm, Skrill and bank transfer. Join now. If you want to join now, then I will put the link in the description box where you can click the link and join Shrinkme.io. Number 2 is ShrinkEarn.com, highest paying URL shortener. ShrinkEarn is probably the highest paying URL shortener because it has the highest CPM rate up to $20 for every 1000 impressions. Moreover, they help you earn even more money by their referral commissions of up to 20%, which is a great thing to consider. ShrinkEarn pays you on time and it is the most trustworthy network on the internet. They have the best support team as well to help you resolve your issues. I myself have tested this network and found it worthy. For this reason, I placed it in the second position to help you people make the right decision. They are quite fast in processing payment and have multiple payment methods as well. I will definitely recommend everyone to go for ShrinkEarn. Payment details are: the minimum payout is $5. Payment methods are PayPal, WebMoney, Payeer, Skrill and bank transfer. If you want to join now, then the link will be in the description box. Number 3 is Linkvertise.net, best URL shortener in 2021. If you are looking for the simplest and easiest way to earn money, then Linkvertise would be the best choice for you, as this link shortener is one of the highest paying URL shortener, since they offer you up to $70 for every 1000 views for just shortening the link, and whenever someone clicks on that link you get paid for it. Yes, you heard it right. Linkvertise is the only URL shortener that offers you $70 without having annoying pop-ups, and still they pay a quite handsome amount. Moreover, you can earn more through its referral program that offers you a 5% commission from the referrals for the lifetime. Therefore, I will definitely recommend you start with this link shortener as it is one of the popular and trusted URL shortener for many years. Check out the details, Linkvertise reviews before going for this network. Payment details: the minimum payout is $10. Payment methods are PayPal, check, prepaid debit card, wire transfer and bank transfer. If you want to join Linkvertise, then the link will be in the description box. Number 4 is Smoner.com, top URL shortener to earn money. Smoner is known to be one of the best URL shortener which offers much higher payout rates as compared to other URL shorteners. If you are serious about making money online, then Smoner would be the best choice for you as it offers you to earn up to $5 per 1,000 views. Unlike other link shorteners, Smoner is counted in the most trustworthy network which actually pays for your efforts. You can earn even more as this link shortener offers a referral program through which you can earn up to 10% revenue for the lifetime. Additionally, it features a great administration panel to control everything. Dedicated support is available for you 24/7 to help you sort out your queries. Payment details are: the minimum payout is $3. Payment methods are PayPal and Bitcoin. And if you want to join Smoner.com, then I will give the link in the description box where you can join. Number 5 is Oyuwo.io, best URL shortener to make money. Oyuwo.io is considered to be the unique and legit URL shortener that pays its user on time with the highest payout rates. The beauty of this URL shortener is that it has some unique benefits that other lacks in providing, such as multiple views from the same viewer are also counted to help you earn even more. Moreover, you can make some more cash by using their affiliate program that lets you earn a 20% referral bonus. The support center is quite impressive to get assisted 24/7. Therefore, I will definitely recommend you to try out Oyuwo.io and get benefited from it. Payment details: the minimum payout is $5. Payment methods are PayPal, Pioneer and Payeer. If you want to join Oyuwo.io, then I will give the link in the description box. Number 6 is AdShrink.it, high paying link shortener. AdShrink is one of the most profitable and widely used advertising network all over the world, having 50k plus registered users. Almost 3 lakhs plus links are being shortened using this ad network. AdShrink came into being in 2016 and probably one of the most reliable network with tons of features. AdShrink offers you up to $7.5 for every 1000 impressions. It is known to be the most trusted ad network that actually pays on time. AdShrink provides you powerful and detailed analytics of your users through which you can easily track your audience. Payment details are: the minimum payout is $5. Payment methods are PayPal, Bitcoin and bank transfer. The link will be in the description box. If you want to join, then please click on the link and you can proceed. Number 7th is SafeLinkU.com, best link shortener in 2021. Not earning revenue as per your expectations? Don't worry, SafeLinkU has got you covered as they promise to deliver the highest CPM rate ever amongst all link shorteners. It has been functioned since 2016 and has generated a massive audience of 324,360 users till now. It has become the most trustworthy network as they pay their users on time with high CPM rates. SafeLinkU offers you to earn massive revenue with their high CPM rates of up to $10 per thousand views. The reason SafeLinkU stands out amongst all other URL shorteners is because of their referral program. You can earn up to 10% commissions from the people you referred to join this network. Interestingly, you will get paid lifetime from referrals revenue, which makes it a perfect choice for you to earn money online. Moreover, dedicated support is available 24/7 for you to seek help if anything goes wrong. Payment details are the minimum payout of $5. Payment methods are PayPal only. Number 8 is ADF.ly, top paying URL shortener. ADF.ly is a great link shortener since it is one of the old and trusted URL shortener which has been running for many years. ADF.ly offers you to earn up to $14 for every 1,000 views, which is quite a great deal to go. You can track your earning through its dashboard where detailed statistics are provided. ADF.ly ensures you safe advertising with its antivirus and malware server running 24/7 checking for viruses. You can earn through referral commission of up to 20%. Its payment details: the minimum payout is $5. Payment methods are PayPal and Payoneer only. Number 9th is Sorted.st, best URL shortener in India. Sorted.st is probably one of the most famous and highest paying URL shortener which almost every person would be familiar with since it is used by millions of people worldwide. Sorted.st is known to be a little strict in maintaining its quality as you need to set up a great strategy to advertise with them. You can earn some great revenue using this network as they provide high CPM rates of up to $12 for every 1,000 reviews. Moreover, if you need to earn some extra cash, you can even join their referral program which offers you a 20% referral commissions. Payment details: the minimum payout is $10. Payment methods are PayPal, Payoneer and WebMoney. If you want to join this, then the link is in the description box. Number 10th is UIZ.io, high paying link shortener. UIZ.io is another best link shortener founded in 2016, having 8k registered users and 690k total links synced by this network. UIZ.io offers you the highest rate to help you earn some great cash. One good thing about this network is that they let you earn more multiple views from the same IP. You can earn up to $12 for every 1,000 views with an automatic withdrawal features that automatically withdraws your money every Monday once it reaches $5. Payment methods are PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney and Payoneer. The minimum payout is $5. Number 11th is CLK.sh. Sort links and earn money online. CLK.sh is one of the fastest growing URL shortener and is growing rapidly day by day because of its amazing services, as it is a totally free tool for advertisers to create advertising campaigns. Being a publisher, it is quite easy to set a link in order to earn money online. CLK.sh offers you up to $20 for every 1,000 views, which is the highest paying amount by this amazing advertising network. Moreover, they help you earn even more money by their referral commissions of up to 20%. CLK.sh provides you a dedicated support team that is always ready to assist you. Payment details are: the minimum payout is $5. Payment methods are PayPal, WebMoney, Payeer, Skrill and bank transfer. If you want to join this, then you can go to description box. I will give the link in the description box. Number 12 is Shortjun.com. Unlike other ad networks, Shortjun is absolutely the game winner, as it is a global URL shortener that offers its users to earn up to $13 for every 1,000 views. One good thing about this network is that this ad network doesn't show annoying pop-ups and annoying ads. Instead, they display clean banner and interstitial ads for better user experience. With 20% referral commissions, you can earn even more. Dedicated support is available for 24/7 to help you solve your issues. Payment details: the minimum payout is $5. Payment methods are PayPal, Paytm, Skrill, Google Pay and bank transfer. That's it guys for today. If you want to join these link shorteners, then you can go to the description box. I will give the link in the description box through which you can join each and every link shorteners. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you.